Hello guys, welcome back. Let's solve this question. Okay, we asked to solve for x. This is very easy. Okay, so what you have to do here is to change this one to just x. And how do you do that? You get rid of the square root. So for you to get rid of the square root, you square the left hand side and you square again the right hand side. Okay, whatever you do on the left, you do it on the right. Okay, now this and this cancels, and there is a reason why this is always the case. Square root is the same as this letter raised to the power half. So if you have x raised to the power half, then if you are going to square it again, now it becomes, when you have a power raised to another power, you multiply them. So this becomes x. 1 times 2 becomes 2 divided by this 2 here. So this and this cancel. Hence, this becomes x raised to the power 1, and x raised to the power 1 is the same as x. If you never knew how we get to that conclusion, say when we have a square root, we square both sides, and this changes. We are left with x here equals to, this becomes x squared. Now, the other mistake you will do here is to cancel x here, x here. So you have, maybe from this point, you have like x here is 1, and x here is just x. You say your answer x is 1, which is actually wrong. Okay, because you have two solutions here. So what you do when you have x equals to x squared, now you bring this one here. So you say minus x squared here, and this again minus x squared. If this and this cancel, what remains here is 0. So you are left with x minus x squared equals to 0. Okay, now you factor x. So you have x into x. So if you factor x, what remains here is 1 minus this is x equals to 0. Right now, this is like a bracket here. So you have x, so you have either this x here equals to 0, or you have 1 minus x equals to 0. So you add plus x here, plus x, this and this cancel, 1 equals to x. So therefore, x again equals to 1. Hence, your answer becomes x equals to 0 or 1. Okay, so if you substitute 0 here, the square root of this is the same as what you have here, basically. So if you say again the square root of 1 is just the same as. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.